Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward: how to watch YouTube TV on your smart TV. Whether you're a cord cutter looking for live TV or just want to catch up on your favorite shows, YouTube TV is a fantastic option. If you haven't tried it yet, you're in for a treat. It's packed with channels, DVR capabilities, and seamless streaming. But first, make sure your smart TV is compatible. Most modern smart TVs from brands like Samsung, LG, Sony, or even Roku devices support YouTube TV, but always double-check your model's specs. Let's get started with the basics. Step 1. Ensure you have a Google account because YouTube TV is tied to Google services. If you don't have one, head over to your phone or computer and sign up quickly. It's free and takes just a minute. Once that's sorted, grab your smart TV remote and navigate to your App Store. This is usually found in the home menu or search bar. Search for YouTube TV and download the app if it's not already installed. It's a quick download, so grab a snack while it happens. After installation, open the app and sign in with your Google account. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Go ahead and do that. Now, if you're new to YouTube TV, you'll need to subscribe. It starts at around $72.99 a month, but they often have trials, so check for that. Once subscribed, you're all set. Browse through the channels, search for shows, or even use the voice remote if your TV supports it to find content faster. One quick tip: if you run into any issues, like the app not loading, try restarting your TV or checking your internet connection. YouTube TV works best on a stable Wi-Fi network. And there you have it, streaming live TV on your big screen in no time. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. What's your favorite show on YouTube TV? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.